office of president is one of great power and great responsibility. It is also one of great potential, one that can invoke a lot of change. One of our greatest presidents, George Washington, once said, "The greater the conflict, the greater the triumph." Nowadays, our country faces great conflict on a daily basis. This is bad for our country, but it also means that there's now an opportunity more than ever for a president to take this conflict and turn it into triumph. Today, I will be talking to you about why I, Matthew Woolery, will be running for president. Some of the reasons include that I know the issues facing our country today. Also, I specifically care about the American people and their well-being. These are important issues, but one of the things I would like to talk about right now are my characteristics that qualify me to be a great president. I have a strong and noble character. Some of our greatest presidents were honest. Take, for example, Abraham Lincoln. His nickname was Honest Abe. He can never tell a lie. I, too, am honest and will not lie to the American people. Also, I am open to different opinions, but I am not swayed easily. This quality is important when talking to other countries. I will listen to their opinions, but I will not be swayed to believe whatever. I am also open to the opinions of American people, which would qualify me to be a good president. I am also a natural leader. I have been the leader of many groups, and I enjoy it. I'd like to take initiative and to invoke change everywhere I go. So, as you can see, I have characteristics that would make me a good president. However, this is not the only reason that you should vote for me. Another reason is that I am knowledgeable about the issues facing our nation. Now, I know that we have wars going on overseas in the Middle East, and these wars are a big issue facing our nation today. I believe that we shouldn't have troops over in other countries right now, and that we should focus on America. So, I will try to resolve that conflict as soon as possible. I also realize what a big deal global warming is, and the problem that it is facing our world today. I will take the steps necessary to reduce America's carbon emissions and to provide a brighter future for future generations. I also realize the importance of the alliances that America has with other countries. I will work hard on these alliances so we can have friends all over the world. Although our connections with other countries are important, I understand that caring for America is important as well. I have the interest of the American people on my mind as a top priority. I will uphold our citizens' constitutional rights, such as the Second Amendment, which allows them to bear arms. I believe that we shouldn't take this right away because it would be infringing on the rights of the American people and infringing on their freedom. I also know that jobs are important, and I will work hard to decrease unemployment rates, as it will help boost our economy. I also understand that there's social divide in our country today. For example, between racism and the tension between blacks and whites. As president, I will take initiative to solve this issue. I think we need to talk it out and solve our issues. That way America can come together and have less conflict. So as you can tell, the well-being of American people is very important to me. And I will listen to the voice of the people in order to become a better president. So some of the best presidents came when there are uncertain times in America. For example, again, Abraham Lincoln, with the example of slavery. He took a divided America and ended slavery, and after the Civil War, America was better overall for it. So now we need a president that will do the same thing in these uncertain times, because we're experiencing major uncertainty in America. And I believe I have all the qualities of a president that America needs in these hard times. I'm a strong leader. I know the issues that America faces, and I acknowledge the issues that affect the American people, and I will work hard to solve them as a main priority. Thank you for listening.